Hi everyone, I'm Arito from Years of Courage. And today I'll be solving the round 5 mathematics challenge from question A to question H. And Junka will also be sharing questions I to O. So let's question A. It wants to find the area of the 2D shapes. So in order to find the area of the triangle, this is a right angle triangle, we need to use the height times the base divided by 2. So in this case, we'll use 7 cm times 12 cm over 2. So we would get 42 cm squared. This is the answer for question A. And question B is very easy. So we know as this is a rectangle, so we'll just use 5 cm times 9 cm, which is 45 cm squared. And then for question C, we know this is a square. So this side here is 4 cm, and this side here is also 4 cm, as indicated with the single line drawn here. So use 4 cm times 4 cm, get 16 cm squared. So for question D, this is a rhombus. No, sorry, this is a parallelogram. So we would use I will use the base times height. So the base is this one and the height is this one. So 6.5 cm times 4 cm, I will get 26 cm squared. And now this is a trapezium. This is the isosceles trapezium. So for the to calculate the area of a isosceles trapezium, we need to is 1 over 2 times base A plus base B, then times height. So I'll do it beside here. So it is 2 over 1 times 7 cm plus 5 cm times 2.5 cm. I will get 6 cm. Sorry, I'll get 6 cm times 2.5 cm. Then the answer is 15 cm squared. And now for question F, I will use, it's the same as for the trapezium. Cm times 4 cm, and I'll get 32 cm squared. The reason I'll get ATM is because I use 10 plus 16, which is 10 plus 6, which is 16 cm, then divided by, then times 1 over 2, which I'll get 8. So like this, cm. So this is the 2 cm squared. And then for question G, this is a right angle, this is a triangle. So it's the same. I'll use 1 times 7.5 cm times 4 cm. Then I will get 30 cm squared. Then times 1 over 2, I'll get 15 cm squared. And now for the last question, question H. This is also a triangle. So 2 over 1 times 8 cm times 6 cm. The reason why I did not use 7 cm with 6 cm is because the height is drawn, is indicated here, this line. So we will use this line as the base to times 6 cm, which is the height. So I'll get still 4 cm, 4 cm times 6 cm is 24 cm squared. That's for my part. Thank you very much.
Okay, so now I will be talking about question I. So firstly, we take 9 times 2, we would get 18 cm squared, which is the area for the longer rectangle here. We subtract 2 from 7, so it will be 5. 5 would be the height of the shorter rectangle. So 5 times 6, we will get 30. 30 cm squared would be the shorter rectangle area. So we add them all up, it would be 48 cm squared. Okay, now J. We calculate the triangle first. 9 times 3 divide 2, we would get 16.5. This would be the area of the triangle. For the parallelogram down there, it will take 11 times 30, which is the height, which will get 33. We add 33 and 16.5 together, we would get 49.5. Next, 2 is the height of the rectangle and 7 is the length of the rectangle. So 7 times 2, we will get 14. It is the same for these two rectangles area. Since here is 2, then here is also 2. And the square's area would be 2 times 2, which is 4. So 14 plus 4 plus 14, we would get 32 cm squared. Next, we can divide this shape into a square and rectangle. The height of the rectangle would be 4, since 10 minus 6 is 4. So the square is 5 times 6 is 30. The rectangle would be 8 times 4, which is 32. And the whole area for the shape would be 62. Next, M can divide the shape into a triangle and a rectangle. For the triangle, we take 12.5 centimeters and multiply it by 11 minus 6 centimeters. And then we will get the area of the triangle. So 11 minus 6 is 5. So the height of the triangle is 5. So 12.5 centimeters times 5 divided by 2 would be 31.25 would be the area of the triangle. And then the rectangle, we can take 12.5 times 6, and then we would get 75. We add 75 and 31.25, and we will get 106.25. Next question N. Since the middle part is empty, we calculate the area of the trapezium first and then subtract the empty space. So 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 times 6 divided by 2. You would get 51, which is the area of the whole trapezium. The empty space of a square in the middle of the trapezium is 3 times 3, which is 9, the area. Hence, 51 minus 9, we will get 42 cm square. Next, so there are 2 empty spaces in this rectangle here. We first calculate the whole area of the rectangle, which would be 12 cm times 6 cm. We would get 72 cm. And then we calculate the area of this triangle. We can see that the height of the whole rectangle is 6 cm and is divided into 2 equal parts. Hence, here would be 3 cm, 3 cm, and here is 3 cm and 3 cm from this symbol. So 8 times 3 would be 24 cm squared. Sorry, 8 times 3 equals 24. 24 divide 2 would be 12. 12 would be the area of the triangle of the empty space here. And then here it would be 3 times 3, which is 9, divide 2, which is 4.5. So 72 minus 12 minus 4.5 minus 12 minus 4.5. We would get 55.5 centimeters. This would be the whole area of the rectangle. So the last question, to get the 3-digit code, add all your answers and round to the nearest integer. We will take all of the answers up there and add it together. We would get 610.25. We round it to the nearest integer, which would be 610. So the 3-digit code would be 610. Okay, thank you everybody for watching. The video will end here.